Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best vertical smokers for the money in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Cuisinart COS 244 36-inch propane smoker. If you have just ventured into the world of smoking and are looking for an easy-to-use smoker, then this 36-inch charcoal smoker from Cuisinart is ready to help you. To begin with, add a few pieces of wood, light the charcoal, fill the water bowl, and load fresh foods on 2 internal racks. This vertical barrel design distributes heat evenly throughout the grilling chamber and controls the temperature and amount of smoke with a little adjustment of the air vent. This smoker is portable enough to be taken everywhere. It is designed for beginners as well as professional chefs and grilling enthusiasts who are committed to that quality. It boasts a solid frame, with a twist-lock door that seals tightly. There is a propane burner at the bottom that heats a porcelain-coated, heavy-duty chip tray with a water pan. This delivers moist smoke up to the meat. It has enough room to smoke fish, meats, vegetables, or even whole chicken. This outdoor grill is a great alternative to the kitchen and is ideal for making delicious smoked meals for family and friends. Number 2. Our second best pick is Weber 22-inch Smokey Mountain Charcoal Cooker. This gives you a great and distinctive smoking service that is more contemporary than other smokers. It is a very small unit and is made by a very reputed manufacturer. With this unit, there is no need to worry about any color damage, peeling, or rust. 2 grates have been added to this model, providing the option of smoking too many pieces of meat or a pair of birds at the same time. Its body is made of hard-wearing, porcelain enameled steel and a long kettle body with quality dampers to help temperature control and smoke. To begin with, simply add charcoal and wood chips and load the stainless steel rack with your favorite meat cuts. Available in 3 different sizes, the Weber Smokey Mountain is a solid smoke investment that also doubles as a portable barbecue. Number 3. Our third best pick is Dyna-Glo Go 1890 BDC-D Offset Vertical Charcoal Smoker. If you are searching for a treasure trove of real taste and custom cooking smoker, then Dyna Smoker is the last result of your search. This smoker has enough area, 1,890 square inches, to cook different foods at the same time. It features an offset smoker box that keeps heat away from your food directly and also results in heat. At the same time, adjustable smokestacks and side dampers that work together improve airflow and heat transfer to the primary cooking chamber. This smoker can help you achieve that professional smokehouse flavor you're looking for in your steak, ribs, and chicken. Its performance is definitely above the level of rest, and this model can accomplish many tasks, all at once. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Dyna-Glo DGX 780 BDC-D 36-inch Charcoal Smoker. Shout out to all the smokers on a budget. This offset smoker lets you achieve that traditional low and slow awesomeness that's the stuff of daydreams. The Dyna-Glo vertical smoker is suitable for capturing maximum smoke flavor. The grilling chamber has porcelain coating that is easy to clean, maintain, and will not rust. It also helps with better temperature management and heat circulation. It comes with a 2-door design that contributes to heat retention and minimizes heat loss while cooking. When it comes to cooking capacity, it has 4 layers of grates with adjustable height. You can raise or lower the grates if you need to smoke large items like turkey, chicken, pork shank, and ribs. Apart from this, the grates are easy to remove and set in. Despite its reasonable price tag, it features multi-way temperature adjustment. This helps to build up the desired temperature with 3 different modes. There is a built-in stainless steel thermometer with a smoke zone on the top of the smoker. It helps you to customize your own smoking recipes depending upon the smoky flavor. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Char-Broil Analog Electric Smoker. Whether you're a newbie into the barbecue world or looking for a new vertical smoker, this electric smoker is the best choice for everyone. It comes with an insulated cooking chamber and a large wooden chip tray. This helps to maintain a uniform smoke temperature while retaining the best smoky flavor. There is integrated water that maintains the perfect moisture for your meat and keeps food completely juicy. It comes with 3 cooking racks that provide the versatility of cooking for a small family or even large gatherings, built with high-quality steel to ensure that the smoker is portable and durable. This smoker can achieve a maximum temperature of up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and also, you can adjust the time according to your food type. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.